Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you my recipe for a chocolate icebox cake. Perfect for you to make this Valentine's for your loved one. So we're going to start by placing some softened unsalted butter in our mixing bowl. Now if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use your hand mixer for this. Next goes in some sugar, and we're going to beat or whip this until it's light and creamy. Once it reaches a very light consistency, we're going to go in with the eggs one at a time, mixing after each addition. Go in with some vanilla essence or extract. Now here I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. So to the flour, I'm going in with some Nescafe or instant coffee, some baking soda, some cinnamon, some baking powder, and cocoa powder. Now I'm using one Oreo pudding or cookies and cream pudding for this mixture also. So you're going to empty the entire pack into that dry ingredient mixture, and we're going to mix this to combine. Now the Oreo pudding is a little bit on the lumpy side because there are pieces of Oreo in there, so don't worry. So I'm going to go in with half of my milk into the butter mixture and half of the dry ingredients. Mix on low. We're mixing on low because we don't want to over mix this batter. Once it's mixed in, go in with the rest of the milk and the rest of the dry ingredients and mix on low again. Once it comes together, then you'll stop. As I said, we don't ever want to over mix a cake batter. Now what I like to do is take my spatula and mix again, and you would notice the bottom where that paddle doesn't reach, there's always some white cake there. So you just want to mix that in, and then a quick tip is grease your sheet tray and then place your wax paper on it. It actually adheres, as you can see here. It would adhere to that pan, and then you'd go ahead and spray the parchment paper just to make sure that when the cake comes out, it comes out easily. Now I'm going to spread the cake batter evenly throughout the whole sheet pan. Now this is a 9 by 13 inch sheet pan. This bakes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. After which, you want to put a skewer through it and make sure it comes out clean. We just want to leave it, allow it to cool down before we assemble. Now let's make the whipping cream mixture. So to some water, I'm going in with some unflavoured gelatin. And this gelatin is going to help stabilize this whipped cream. Mix and set aside and allow it to bloom. Now in your mixer, we're going to go in with some heavy cream. And we're going to whip this until it forms soft peaks. Once it's to that soft peaks consistency, go in with some icing sugar and whip until it forms firm peaks. Once it reaches firm peaks, just set it aside for 1 second. That gelatin, we're going to pop it into the microwave for about 20 seconds, just until it gets soft and it's like a liquid. After it turns into that liquid, we're going to put it into the whipping cream, and then we're going to mix this in. This gelatin is going to stabilize this whipping cream. I'm also going in with some chocolate chip pieces. You can add shaved chocolate, whatever you like. You can add it to this, or you can add some cocoa powder and make it a chocolate whipped cream frosting. So this is now ready to be used. So cut the cake in half and place one half in your baking dish. And I'm going to soak the cake with some crème de cassis or some currant liqueur. You just want to lightly brush it. You can put as much as you want, but I don't want to put too much because I want the cake to be able to stand up when it's time to cut the cake. Next, spread half of that whipped cream mixture evenly across that first layer of cake. Place the next piece of cake and continue to soak again with that crème de cassis or currant liquor. Now I'm using crème de cassis. If you cannot find this, you can use grape juice or you can use non-alcoholic wine. Spread on the rest of the whipping cream and place this in your refrigerator to chill for about 1 hour until it sets up. Then all you'll have to do is cut it into pieces and serve. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. It was really easy and really delicious. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And I just want to wish you guys again a happy Valentine's.